going on, guys? This is Tyler. We're coming to you with a video today about hidden damage on vehicles. Here's a couple pictures of how insignificant the damage seemed before we had the Subaru disassembled. So first things first, we've got our main structural technician, Carlos Lopez, disassembling the rear end of this Subaru Outback so we can get a better look at that damage that we had a pretty good idea was there. It's a meticulous process, and this only shows the bumper portion, but Carlos has a lot of experience and he makes it look easy. Alright guys, so we got this Subaru Outback disassembled so we could get a closer look at the hidden damage that we had an idea was there but we couldn't exactly see, so that we can write a proper and thorough estimate on the car. This back end of the Subaru is pretty much skeletonized at this point. If you come in closer here and focus in on where the actual damage was, the main impact was on the rear bumper and partially the lift gate on this car. What you're seeing here is the impact beam or the reinforcement beam, and its sole purpose is to take an impact and absorb energy from that impact and keep it away from the passengers. It does a really good job of that when the impact is sustained to the reinforcement beam. In this case, that didn't so much happen. It looks like the vehicle dove down underneath the reinforcement beam and really punched it on the rear body panel and the lower floor pan on this car. So it went from a repair where this could be unbolted and replaced to a repair where this vehicle has to be jigged up on a structural frame rack. The frame has to be measured. These panels here, the rear body panel and the floor panel, are going to have to be cut off and new ones welded back on. So this is a perfect example of hidden damage on these plastic bumper covers where they get hit, they go in, they damage plenty of things underneath it, and then they pop back out. And when you get out and look at the car, the average consumer might not understand everything that's going to go into a repair like this. But if you want your car safe, you want your car right, and there's a reputable body shop that's going to be working on your car, it's important to understand that a disassembly like this is really necessary to identify any and all hidden damage and make sure your car gets fixed right. Alright everyone, that's going to wrap up this video on hidden damage. We hope that we were able to provide some value to you guys and some understanding as how this process goes, and a little more insight as to what can actually happen to a car, even when it looks like there's not much wrong with it. So if you found any value in this video, or you appreciate what we're doing, or you're interested in it, please like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and most importantly, comment on these videos and let us know what we can do better or what you might want to see out of future videos. Have a good one.